New this afternoon, we're hearing from the Olmsted County Sheriff's Office and Mayo Clinic as U.S. health advisors are recommending the overdose reversing drug Narcan may be made available for over-the-counter use without a prescription, all in an effort to combat the nation's opioid crisis. A panel of FDA experts voted unanimously in favor of approving non-prescription Narcan for over-the-counter use to save lives as the opioid crisis soars across the U.S.
We like to try to save and protect any lives that we can. And if there is a product out there that can help save even one person's life, we would think that that is a beneficial product to have.
The FDA did discuss whether untrained users could administer the nasal spray safely in emergency situations, and if it's better to get a prescription from a physician so they can provide additional addiction resources. But the Olmsted County Sheriff's Office says anytime a life-saving measure can be put into the hands of the community, it's a positive step forward.
You know, while we'd like to see everybody get the treatment that is right for them and any level of help, we would support anybody that can have better access to Narcan or naloxone.
Mayo Clinic in Rochester agrees, saying it's not just pharmacies who should be responsible for carrying Narcan, but vending machines or convenience stores to enhance access and make sure as many individuals know how and when to administer it as possible.
We're not alive if we don't breathe. And so the way naloxone works is if someone's having experience with an overdose, meaning they're not breathing well, they're incoherent, right? They're more and more drowsy. You can deliver this agent, typically either intramuscularly or through just a nasal spray.
Addiction specialist Holly Gear does say since the average dose resurrects a patient for only a short period of time, typically minutes, it's important to remember to still call for help right away.
It will almost immediately revive them. Now, what we're seeing are trends with these illicit drugs now on the market requiring multiple doses of fentanyl to keep someone alive. And so it's imperative that every one of these be treated like a medical emergency. Call 911.
A Baltimore area company called Emergent Biosolutions submitted the first of its kind application to the FDA last year. A final decision is expected to come by the end of March. If approved, Narcan would be the first opioid treatment to make the regulatory switch to a non-prescription drug.